noticed by all who reuse the cloud data. Cloud provides give proper control and transparency over their data. In conclusion, the cloud computing is storing the data. It is a network built computing, but its biggest reversal is the security issues. Each new advancement has its trends and disadvantages. There are an issue linked which anchoring coordinating information that is not managed by the proprietor of the information. Here, the meaning of the word that is a public cloud. Several users share the same sources like memory, storage, etc. And thank you, Ananda. And thank you, National Institute of Computing Technology. Thank you, sir.
Now, good presentation here. Okay, whatever it may be here, so I identified any problem of your research area.
No, sir, this is only here mainly concerned of fundamentals.
Okay, okay, okay. Fundamentals.
No research blocks is find, sir. Only fundamentals.
What are the general examples of clouds? So we have various
Sir,
clouds.
general examples.
Cloud.
Yeah, mainly example, Google.
Google Cloud, Azure
Google
Cloud,
shares. That
Azure
means
Cloud. Yes, yes, yes. So, what are the benefits of this cloud?
Google Drive, sir. Benefits means securities. Security as high.
Okay, what you
Mm.
identified.
Security is high. Confidentiality, shared access, several authentication, unavailability. Server unavailability goes down, and server does not have a direct access. It is a data stored in cloud.
Which is the best cloud?
Best cloud.
Which one is costly?
Mm, Public and private is the best cloud.
Azure Cloud. Google Cloud is mostly neighbor to our Google Cloud. Google Cloud is the Google. We have to say now
Google
Google
Drive.
yes, yes, Google. Google Cloud is the
Google Drive.
best one. But some of them are telling like that Azure Cloud, some other clouds. Okay, so they would like to provide the paid services. Google also providing some of the best services. So
Yes,
whatever
sir.
it may be, madam, yes, you have done a good job. Okay. So
Okay,
we
thank
have
you,
to
sir.
go to the literature survey, identify the problem, and try to do the research work in good manner. Okay.
Mm,
Those tools
thank you.
will be yes, those tools will be used for our society. That is the research work. Okay,
Thank you,
madam.
sir.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day, madam. In present, where are you working?
No, sir. Only I'm research scholar.
Okay, research scholar working. Okay, thank you, madam. Have a nice day. All the best.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Sir,
Yeah. Open your screen and video.
sure, sir.
Press F5.
So can shadow set, sir?
Just wait, wait, wait. I'm taking the snapshot. Just wait. Press
Yes,
F5.
sir.
Yes, very good. Where is your teammates?
Sir, they have some network issues, sir, so they can't able to attend the meeting, sir.
Issues. What is your title?
So heart disease prediction using machine learning techniques, sir.
Yes. Yes, you can continue.
Yes, sir. So my name is Ashwin. I'm going to talk about heart disease prediction using machine learning techniques. To create a model of the prediction of cardiac disease, research have been used a various array of data mining techniques, including the association rules and classification and clusterings of an NSMA techniques as called as compatible boosting the values. In this different label, they compared different classification measures using D, T, and NB, and KNR and shacking. These are the tools we have used for classification techniques. The definitions against the most particular disease of the categorization algorithm of 73.70%. However, to compare of the classification algorithms and categorization well performed. In 2018, assembles 5 distinguished classification techniques, including FM and neural network, ND classification and registration analysis, and support SMV and analysis toolbench of them. Data collection. In this study, heart illness is analyzed to create a model of an application in Kaggle. We used to Kaggle to collect all the data sets. In this data set contains 14 attributes and specification as shown in the table. These are the 14 attributes. In this data set, we calculate from the Kaggle. 1025 patient records has been included 733 male and 312 female patients of the various ages. Of 499 patients, 48.68% have normal health wellness, and 526 patients we have a cardiac disease of 357.3% of the patients have heart illness disease, and 266 42.79% of the patients where heart illness disease are male. Data processing. In this investigation, we carried by using Vika version 3.8.3 and data mining tools and Python version for 3.8.5 and exploring data analysis EDA and visualization, since the effects of the machine learning techniques methodologies depends upon how the efficiency the information is preparing and formatting the data preparing and prerequisites of the machine learning techniques of the data mining approach. The following application of replacing the missing values, filter and manage of the missing data. IQR, integrated range value. It is identifying of the outcome of the during the pre-processing stages. IQR is a tool for measuring the variability around the value of the media dataset. For the purpose of the analysis, and out there is a data as a point of device. By using this data set, if we miss some data, by using this formula, IQR is equal to Q3 minus QR, where IQR stands for intercurrent range. By using this equation, we can easily solve the problems. Performance evaluation matrix. We use 6 classification algorithms. The best algorithm we determine is 10-fold cross-validation comparison of accuracy of the statistics factor, multi-layer prediction, and K neighbors, and KNR, and random forest decision tree, logics, and LR, and algorithm are used to this. So based on the metrics, we use the performance of algorithm where we compare. Research and discussion. The exploring the data analysis is carried out by using the data and better understanding its characteristics. The next subversion provides a discussion of the analysis and feeling. The demonstration of quality characters. The remainder of the data sets includes and show about the remote. By inserting the data set, we can see about the prediction values. Here is a result of machine learning techniques. While entering the data, we can it will easily predict how the accuracy of the heart disease and illness is to be. The conclusion. A serious condition that have several components of including the heart attacks. The data mining and machine learning techniques are crucially because they have ability to accuracy and accuracy of the discipline of the heart disease data set. We tested the useful of machine learning techniques, heart illness preparations using the heart disease data set, and discovered that the 3 classification algorithms KNN, RF, and DT performance increasability will with the 100% of accuracy with expectation of MLP and KNN features, significance and score of the each and where the estimations for all the employees and algorithm. Based on the features, we record these features are ordinary. The study with the identification of best machine learning techniques by using the variance among the wild simple algorithms. By using this discovery that the least for the data set they will be performed. Although the machine learning technique are still in there, in fact, it shows that the many appear the fantasy of the patients that they care. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Ashwin.
Sir.
Ashwin, yes, you got a good job here.
Yes, sir.
Who is our guide?
Sir, my guide is Divya ma'am, sir. DS lab.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Data science lab, sir.
Here, what are the data preprocessing techniques?
Sir, we use the machine learning. Sir, we use Python Vika version as a data analysis and visualization, sir.
Okay.
We use Python as data analysis and visualization. Sir, we use machine learning techniques, sir, while entering the data set, it will predict, sir, whether a person is having a heart illness or not, sir. By predicting this value, it will show the accuracy, sir. While human, we can predict, we can make some errors and
Try
mistakes,
to open
sir.
your conclusion. Try to open your conclusion.
Sir?
Open your conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Data file is out data file వచ్చారు వస్తే అక్కడ
Sir.
సంపేట మార్కెట్ అని అడగండి ఎందుకే ప్లేస్ తెలిసాడు
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
ఓపెన్ యువర్ conclusion.
Sir. Sir.
From your topic, how can identify this association clustering?
Sir.
How association analysis in clustering?
Sir, we used, sir, the hospital, they have the different kinds of data, sir, about the patient's record. They have different kinds of patient records, sir. We will give the software to them, sir. While using this software, they can enter all the data they have gathered, sir, and it will show us about the accuracy, sir. It will show the display of the validation of pie chart and graph chart, sir. So the doctors can easily understand it, sir.
That's okay. What is an algorithm to maintain the association?
Sir. Sir, we used a machine. Sir, we used 10 crossword field validation techniques. Sir, we used 12 machine learning algorithms. Sir, like MLP, KNN, DTN, RF, and LR, and ABMI.
What about a priori algorithm? Where we can use it then?
Sir, no, sir.
A priori algorithm. A priori algorithm is there in association.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for what purpose we are using a priori algorithm?
Sir, by using the visualization of the series, the output be model and accuracy. Sir, it will show us about the different types of bits. Sir, it will show about the logic registration and random forest tree and k nearby neighbor, and it will predict the correctly the accuracy in the numbers, sir.
Means accuracy of associations.
Yes, sir. It will show.
About the accuracy of associations.
Yes, sir.
Rules. That's how the rule is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All the best, test.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next, 007.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Open our PPT and video.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, sir. Sir, my screen sharing is visible, sir.
Not visible.
More than
Not visible. Not visible. Please wait. 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 Not visible.
not visible, sir. Just a minute, sir. Sir, whether it is visible now, sir?
Not visible. Just you have opened something. That means what you opened it is visible. Yes. Come to first page. Yes. Very good. Very good. Please wait. Okay. Open our video if possible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Why you close it? PPT. Open your PPT. Yes. Very good. Very good. Wait. 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 Very good. Yes. You can continue now.
Yes, good morning, Catherine. I'm Midhanavan from Banariaman Institute of Science and Technology, located in Satyamangalam. And this is guided by Sangavi ma'am, Assistant Professor of Science and Engineering. And we have listed our teammates over here. And that is Midhanavan, yes, and that's me. And Sridhar R. and Mohammed Ismail and Jay Sheelan and Kamalesh over here. And our teammates has been joined in the meeting, and our main topic is that is a parallel reality. And in this meeting most of you has been aware of this parallel reality, and
Muthuvanan.
here are the list of contents over
Mithuvanan.
here. And that is abstract introduction, working principle,
Mithuvanan.
then about.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Mithuvanan. Yes.
Yes
All of
sir.
you, please. Your teammates are there. Your teammates.
Yes sir. Yes sir, they are in the meeting, sir.
Yeah. Open their videos. I will take a snap. Come to the first slide.
Okay sir,
First
okay sir,
slide.
just a minute sir.
And all of you open your videos. Yeah, very good. Your teammates Sridhar, Mohammed, Jay Seelan, Kamalesh. Please open your videos. I would like to take a snap. My dear others.
Sir, I hope that some of them are inside the forest, that means in the post signal area, sir. So they might not connect, and some of them could connect, sir.
Okay, no worries. Yes, you can continue.
Yeah, sir. And my topic is we have done a review paper about parallel reality, and some of them may be aware and some may not. So here are the list of contents over here, and abstract introduction, working principle, about the creators and applications and future scope, conclusion and reference. We're gonna start with abstract and parallel reality. In this meeting, anyone is aware or have any idea about parallel reality?
No. Parallel reality, yes. We have seen innovative technology, collaboration. Yes,
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Yeah.
it is the latest one,
Okay.
latest topic maybe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just I'm gonna give a brief about that, and that is what is parallel reality in the sense there is a new innovative technology, and which is created by the collaboration of misapplied science and Delta, at which is implemented in Detroit Airport. The main mechanism that is, for example, in that airport, they have implemented that 100 passengers can see their individual details. That is their flight boarding time and etc. in the
Only
same screen.
up to 100 only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Until now, only 100 people can see their individual details and their boarding times, etc. at the same time in the same screen.
Okay.
This is parallel reality, and some of the keywords we used that often are parallel reality, technology, and Detroit Airport, and Delta misapplied science. Here we are going to see the introduction now, and this Detroit is located in USA. Detroit Airport is located in USA, and this is implemented by some of the scientists. Scientists in the sense they are former Microsoft workers, and it goes like it is an international airport serving people, and this process can this parallel reality can be used in the place where the highly populated places, which is helpful to diagnose and make them in a good manner. And here comes implemented a new technological parallel reality which allows the airport display personalized information to each individual passenger in real time. And this technology is used in airport, as I said earlier, And our review about this paper is analyzing that what is the technology behind that, and why they made that, and what are the future scope, and what are the future about this parallel reality. Okay, next we are going to see about this is here are the introduction again, and we are coming about installed number of parallel reality displays, and this shows the gate informations, restrooms, and other anime. As I said here, this displays the each and everyone's individual information, that is directions to the gate information and restrooms and other animatives. And here comes the working principle of that. This parallel reality consists of multi-view pixel. That is nothing but the display utilizes multi-view pixel that can emit various color of light in multiple direction, which helps that if there are 100 peoples that can emit 100 different rays, which every individual can see their individual details. So as a result, two individuals viewing the same pixel from different position may see different colors such as blue and red. And this software from misapplied science coordinates all the pixel and on the display to create the individual message for each viewers, providing the different images from various viewpoints. And this picture represents the details what I have said. These are the multi-view pixel, that is see that color difference between that is that are the rays red, blue, and green. The directions of the persons and the emitting rays will be same, so 100 people can see their own, that is individual details. Now, other than seeing the whole list of details of other passengers, they can see only their details. And here are the working principle, right? The second images, there is conventional pictures and parallel reality picture. This may shows the difference. I hope you may get some idea about this. And about the creators, that is Albert Ng and Paul Dietz are the former misapplied science who innovated the unimaginable technology, and they are the and Paul Dietz is widely recognized for his innovative creations, and he is a former Microsoft company, former scientist in Microsoft company, and these are the application and future scope of parallel reality. And as per our review and our research about this parallel reality, this parallel reality has to own the world within this decade, because parallel reality helps in lots of ways that reducing the manpower and lots of reducing the confusions in the crowd places, so which helps lot in future so as a given here, it has been implemented in various workplaces like such as IT industries and certain airports of USA, that is Detroit, and leading industry countries, and some of the countries have been started investing on this parallel reality. And in future, according to our analysis, this parallel reality gonna come in televisions like the members of the same family can, according to the perspective, like a son can view sports and father can view news channels at the same TV. This may helps in future a lot. And here comes our conclusion, that is parallel reality, which is a huge and vast, unimaginable technology which had emerged by the Mesoplate and Delta. So until now, that only it has come for only 100 peoples at a time. They can see the individual message. At future, it may transfer a lot. According to our opinion, this may emerge in TV, televisions, and etc. And this is the most emerging and new technology which is served in this era. Thank you for this opportunity, sir. And these are the authors.
Just wait. I will take just I will take a snap. Please wait. Go to first others.
First author,
Mr.
sir.
Yeah, was
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going.
yes, please wait. Sridhar and yes, I will take.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You may take, sir.
Srileta madam, any queries to others? Srileta ma'am. Next slide. That means remaining others. Mithuvanan. Yeah, wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have displayed it, sir.
Please wait.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, come to the point. Yes, Mithuvanan, yes, you could any good job parallel reality. Okay,
Yes,
parallel
sir.
reality. So, what is the working principle here? 360 degrees.
Sir, no, sir. Not 360-degree. This may implement within not to just 180-degree. That is a 130-meter radius. It can emit, sir. Until now, that is up to 30-meter radius, sir.
Okay.
Any other queries, sir?
What about the multi-view? To maintain multi-view, is there any algorithm?
Oh, so for multi-view, that is nothing but just simple physics that multi-view pixel that is emitting different rays at the not in the same direction that in different directions, sir. The different rays are being passed in the different directions. So that according to the directions, if the person can according to the directions, if the person stands, he might view his informations, personal informations, that is boarding pass and etc. etc.
Okay. So, what are the feature enhancement?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It has a large, it has large scope in future. That is, this is emerging technology, sir. So it is implemented only in Detroit Airport. In future, it might come in TVs and in at present, some of our family members are fighting for the TV channels like that. Father might watch one and son might watch one, and they are fighting for the remote. So at future, this might helps in resolving the problems like displaying three channels at same TV according to their directions. So this might help a lot in family and technology and developing the infrastructure of the world as well, sir.
So, multi channels will be displayed. From that, we can select one of it.
Same, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Next, 008.
Yes, sir. I'm. Can you audible, sir?
It's audible. Please open our PPT and video.
Okay, sir. Can you see my presentation, sir?
Please wait. Press F5. Oh, very good. Just wait. I would like to take a
Okay.
snap.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Jivanesh.
Yes, sir. I'm Jivanesh, sir.
Just continue.
Yes, sir. I'm Jivanesh from Banariam Institute of Technology, sir. It is located in Satyamangalam, sir. We are from Agriculture Department. Our guide is Saladuri, sir, from HOD of our Agriculture Department. Our teammates are Kishore, Bakiraj, Sabridarshan, and Ayamanand, sir. My topic is on mechanical Plamiara tree climber, sir. The main theme of the tree climber is in olden days we have climbed the tree without using any equipment, sir. It leads to many of the injuries and accidents. The people will suffer from their injuries, sir. So we have decided to a product which helps the people to climb a tree very easily, sir. In latest technology, there are many technology like with motors and some vehicles to climb trees, sir. But it does not reach the many of the rural peoples because they are in high cost, sir. Here, this photo shows the claiming of olden days, sir. So we have taken the step to lower the cost and make the efficiency and safety in the higher, sir. And the main abstract of the product is to local farmers. It should reach the local farmers and the rural people who are having coconut and palm trees for their cultivations. In those trees are palm tree have single stems, sir. They does not have any branches. They are in cylindrical form, so it cannot be claimed manually. It is very a challenging thing. Only a professional climber can claim the tree very easily without any injuries. But some of the peoples are facing some problems like injuries, accidents, and falling from the tree, which there are problem involved and dangers are there, sir. 7 minutes. Most of the people are hesitant to enter the claiming industry, sir, because of the heights and coconut cultivations. Many of the trees are uncultivated because of there are no people to claim the trees, sir. Nowadays there are many people without cultivating coconuts, plumera, sir. It is one of the most useful things in the daily life, which we can take the coconut oil, coconut and coconut water. Many of the uses are from coconut and plumera trees, sir. Many of them are hesitating, sir, to claim those trees. Next, modern tech. There are modern technology which can claim the trees, but it is high costed. So the people are not interested to buy those trees. So we planned to design a product like only a shoe of metal type which has a curved structure which covered the tree with their high technologies, which ensure the technology most. So here I have bring the reducible cost. The cost must be lower than 5,000, which brings the farmers to adopt their cultivation easily, sir. This is our own product which are designed from AutoCAD, and the SolidWorks will be submitted within 2 months and for our college. So we are prepared to design for sufficient cost and safety measures, sir.
Show your model. That means,
Yes, sir.
Jivanesh,
Yes, sir. I can hear, sir. Sir. Sir, I am not telling about proposed work, sir. How the process has been held. First, we have generated an idea generation, the design implemented through AutoCAD, sir. The design is not available with us, sir. So sorry, sir. It is on our lab, sir. I will send it to your mail, sir, within 2 days. Then modeling of products, sir. The steel will be plated like our shoe, sir, and it is attached to the due to the pressure. The pressure also a rubber should be attached with the steel, which does not affect the tree's structure. We will then fabricate the product and the field testing. If approved means we can inspect, sir. The modern technology have the motors and it can claim the tree, sir. But it is very high in cost, so they can even the cultivation of coconut is nowadays very risk, sir. The final conclusion to we have got to conclude that make people more excited, sir. Due to this product, we have make the product due to the theme of interest in consumer rights from consumer thoughts, sir. Yes, sir. The product can load up to 100 kgs often without any machinery, sir. Only the attachment is mechanical, full of mechanical without motors and only steels and rubber and safety measures, sir. Thank you, sir.
please wait, Jivanesh.
Yes, sir, sir.
Please wait.
Okay.
Yes, what is the approach? What is your approach to design the cylindrical? That means the mission.
The steel, sir, the steel structure of the tree, the curved structure of the tree, which have two shoes which are attached to the tree parallelly.
Okay. Parallelly, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That means we have to follow the systematic approach.
Yes, sir. Systematic evidence due to the tree size. The basic coconut tree size is does not vary, sir. Only the some of the trees will vary. Coconut and plumera trees are basic in structure, sir.
Right,
So which
right. All the best.
thank you, sir.
Okay. హలో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడ దిగితే కొంచెం ముందుకు వస్తే బిల్డింగ్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో గేట్ ఉంటుంది చూడండి నేను బయటకు వస్తాను Hello, 009, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Just open your PPT and video.
Yes. Sir, I can't switch on my video, sir, because I'm in my college library, sir.
Okay, just
They
Sanjay.
won't, they won't allow, sir.
Sanjay, please listen.
Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Let
Sanjay,
me
you
show you.
are. Hello.
Sir,
So, Sanjay.
yes, sir.
Yes. Just wait. Open your video. Just wait. 1 minute. I would like to take a snap.
Okay, sir, sure.
Open it. Just wait. Yes. Open your PPT.
This. Is it visible, sir?
Try to rotate your mobile horizontally.
Uh, is it now visible?
No.
Visible, sir?
No visible.
Not visible. Yes, sir.
Try to open your mobile. Try
Yes,
to
sir.
rotate horizontally.
Yes, sir, I made it, sir.
Just your PPT is not visible. Try to select the PPT first from your mobile.
Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
So, Sanjay,
Sir?
wait 5 minutes. Wait, just a call. Okay,
Yes,
professor is
sir.
calling. 5 minutes. Wait. Okay.
Okay, sir. I can troubleshoot this problem within 5 minutes.
Tab out on the conference tab out. Sanjay, yes. Open your PPT. Sanjay. Paper 009. Sanjay.
No, sir, just a sec, sir. I am troubleshooting this problem, sir.
Yeah. Open your PPT. Previously you opened, na?
Sir,
Open it.
it's not showing to me, sir. Just a sec, sir. Gosh.
What's your title?
Sir, solar pesticide sprayer, sir.
Prayer. Okay.
Just a sec, sir.
Highlights at bottom.
Sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Not visible.
Yeah, it's sharing, sir.
It's coming. Please wait. Are you selected the PPT?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am selected, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Now is it visible, sir?
Yes, visible. Continue.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sanjay from Banana Institute of Technology, and these are my teammates right here. And here is my topic. Now I'm going to present my PPT. First of all, introduction. I would like to uh,
First,
change. I mean, start with a quote. Um, whether who wanna be, everyone wants farmer to have some food and to lead a life. So insects and pesticides, pests are one of the most enemies for the farmers. Insects are very large responsible for the crop destruction. Insecticides, pesticides, a man or natural preparation are used to kill insects or otherwise control the reproduction of the pesticides or insects. Here is one of the easiest way to have this uh, spraying system. Our innovation is the agriculture sector based fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides. It's one of the spraying system. It is semi-automized. Mainly, it works in the renewable energy source. It's solar. It's a type of sprayer provides optimum performance with minimum efforts. The invention of the sprayers, pesticides, fertilizers bring revolution in the agriculture or horticulture sector, especially by the invention of sprayers. Then, why spraying system is spread water is based on chemical evenly. Spread that area, needed area. If you need to spread this pesticides on the needed area, if we spray it by any other materials, it's too hard to cover the area and time taken will be more. The renewable energy is the generally defined as energy that comes from long-lasting sources. That is sun. The sun is the most abundant and unlimited source of energy. Solar energy is one of the most important non-conventional sources of energy. And the spray techniques are used in India are hand spraying, tractor spraying, and drone spraying. And the solar panel is used in the sprayer, drone sprayer. that used to store electric energy or change the battery from the solar energy, and the battery change is used to operate DC pump for spraying the pesticides. The main objective of my topic is it's eco-friendly, easy of construction, more economical, easy to clean and maintain. It works in renewable energy source called solar energy. It's an unlimited source of energy. It does not create air pollution and noise. Easy way to handle. Does not require fuel for working. Hence, operation is cost reduced. And there is no running cost associated with the sprayer, and the maintenance cost is restricted to life of battery and photovoltaic module. Photovoltaic module in the sense it's a module which is used to convert light energy into electricity, current or voltage, which is required for the solar spray, and very economical in case of mass manufacture of entire unit. The flow rate calculation demonstrates the optimization of output flow rate and pesticide when within time constraints, which reduces the wastage of pesticide. The sprayer is highly economical and can be used in a small land area to large. Um, the methodology in this solar sprayer is the frame, wheel, battery, solar panel, circuit board and controllers, pesticide with tank capacity, and nozzles. The project operates on solar energy. The It is accomplished by the use of solar panel and a centrifugal pump, which sends a DC supply is attached to the solar panel. The solar panel generates the power. The power is DC power. Its positive and negative charges and are connected to the battery in order to save the power. There is no much maintenance cost on no operating cost as it is used solar energy. It is free cost and there is no pollution in working principle. It's very simple. It is economical performance which has no more advantage. That is, it also can generate the power in the same battery, and hence the result is based on the experiment performance. It is found in solar panel as used in the providers 17 volt and 0. Something of 0.58 ampere. The scarcity. The the scarcity of the power to run the machine can be overcome by this. On the other hand, the battery can also be rechargeable by the supply available at home. The manual labor is eliminated by the module because we are using the remote controller. The constant and effective spray can be achieved easily, which eventually increases the productivity. The developed system can be used for spraying the fertilizer, pesticides, and fungicides. Also, for ground surface, watering the cricket ground, like watering the cricket ground. The wireless system with range of 3 km, the controllers and batteries are kept under the tank. The advantages are the safe to use and labor saving in weather conditions, easy to carry, and easy maintenance, energy efficient. The disadvantages this solar sprayers cost is very high. The spray should take about 2 minutes to press the solution that spray before the spraying. The use method is different from the other sprayers. Low field coverage capacities, maintenance cost and use cost is very high. And finally, the conclusion is solar operating devices are more efficient alternatives for solar full operating devices. It's more economical and suitable for farmers. It is portable and easy to operate. No use of electricity or fuel. It is cheaper than other available methods, that is hand sprayer, tractor sprayer, etc. The consequence is that very few may face energy crisis in future. It was not careful today. That's it. And thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, Sanjay,
Sir, sir.
come to the conclusion.
Sir, the proposed design is successfully fabricated. Sir. That's the obtain conclusion for the equipment that we have designed as the solar operating devices are the more efficient alternatives for the fuel operating devices, sir. It's more economical and suitable for farmers. It is portable and easy to operate. Uh, no use of fuel,
What is the
electricity or
approach?
fuel.
What is the approach?
Sir,
What is the model approach for this?
sir, it's not hearable, sir.
Okay. You belongs to which department?
Sir, triple E, sir, triple E.
Triple E.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Hello?
Just a minute, please. Hello.
Hello? Yes.
Okay, okay. Yes. Connected. మాట్లాడాడు ఓకే నేను ఒక కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో ఉన్న 10 minutes అయిన తర్వాత చేయమంటారా ఓకే ఓకే సంజయ్
Sir,
వాట్ ఆర్ ద అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ మోడల్
sir, applications.
జనరల్ అప్లికేషన్
Sir, sir, applications. The charging the battery of mobile. I mean,
ఛార్జింగ్ ది కరెక్ట్ వన్ టెల్ మీ
I mean, sorry, but sir, the type. Okay.
సో
Uh,
వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి విష్ ఆల్ ది
sir,
బెస్ట్
sir, charging the battery, sir. First of all, charging the battery, sir. To regulate agriculture productivity by spraying the pesticides for agricultural farmers. I mean, agricultural plants like insecticides, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, and etc. Sir.
ఓకే 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 సో ఓకే సంజయ్ విష్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much for all the others, so those who participated in this conference. And the keynote speaker, madam, has given good information about the research, and also I thought that this session is utilized for you. This how to do the research, how we are planning to do the research, and how to um, that means we have to say record the issues and try to solve the problems. So after finishing this, the fruits of our research will be used for our society. That is the final theme. Okay, final theme. So all of you open your videos. I will take this snap. Vignesh, Sanjay, Shah. Shah is there. Vignesh, Shah. Okay. Thank you for all the others. Thank you for participating in this conference. We are going to conclude this. So whatever it may be, is from the keynote speaker we have get some details about that. Is there any research? That research must be useful our society. Any research scholar, any author, any project, whatever it may be, everything must be useful to our society. Yes, must be useful our society. So for that purpose only we are doing the research. We are doing the research, and also yes, all the authors has given good information and given the good presentation also. Yes, from this. 004, yes, 004 is given good information. That means good presentation also, good presentation, and remaining papers are also given the good information. It's good presentation also. Okay. Next, thank you for the keynote speaker. So thank you for the session chair, technical chair. So thank you, Srilata madam. That means is the research scholar under my madam, Dr. Sridevi madam. It's, and also thank you for all the others.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.